Ni hao. This letter is cloud hands again, but to the right. We did the left, walk 3 steps to the left. Now, after the single whip, we're gonna walk back to the right. So, again, if you forget how to do the right, and you go back to the left and do the same thing, but walk to the right. Okay, I'm gonna show you the move. The last, we stop the single whip to the right. Okay, single whip to the right. So 3 steps to the right. And for these cloud hands, the most important is your hands move circles evenly, and don't go once off there up, this one still here, and just follow the hands. Go. Circles. And again, when the hands on one side, the weight on that side. And ready for the other foot to move, to do the step. See, with this, your foot's there. Once you get to the right, that is the time to close. When the hands goes to the left, the time you step out and shift the weight and pick up the left. These movements is circle along your body. And don't forget, when you pick up the hands, moving out, that's the time facing in your body. And start rotating, turn. When you turn to the end, outside, your palm should be facing down. And continue the circle and back to the other side. When you pick up the hands, let the palm facing in and then out, down. So as you see, I turn my body also. And why? Because your tension is following the hand goes out. So from here, let's do that again. And this time you just watch my head, my tension, my eyes, where to go. See, as you see, my hand, when my hands goes out, my tension is follow the hands, that direction. when the other hand goes out, see my head turns to the other side. And I'm going to walk back. See, follow my hands, goes out to the left, and look to the right, and look to the left. See, when you practice, you can step to the left 3 steps, and then back to the right 3 steps. And really simple is when you 3 steps to the left and stop there. Once you stop, you don't keep walking, just stop right there and pick up the right foot, step to the right. Now you shift to the right. Now you're stepping to the right. And after you get to the right, stop there and then step to the left and shift to the left. Now you're walking back and forth. That's when you practice. Just walk one side and then the other. So let me turn around and you would follow me. Walk the cloud hands to the right. When you do that, and the hands from the hook, once you start moving the hook, open your hands, okay? Was here, and start. Open it, open up. So this is the cloud hands to the right, and you will practice back and forth. And thank you very much. 谢谢。